First off, thank you so much for clicking on this thumbnail and giving me the opportunity to explain what this channel is about. The goal of this channel is to really help new investors in a confusing market, showing a process and how I come up with a figure for individual stocks. It's how I knew Ttcf was going bankrupt. It's how I knew Palantir was only a $5 to $6 stock when people were recommending it at $25 and $30. It gave me the confidence to short Tesla in a market that was very overvalued. Reason why I created this channel was I was in financial services and it was very unfulfilling. I'd have very good conversations on how to get people investing, but at the end of the day, I was pressured to sell something as I was commission based as an advisor. And at the end of the night, I would question if I was doing the right thing for my clients or if I was doing the right thing for myself. And so I decided to start this channel. On this channel, I really try to take a no BS approach. I don't know what people invest in, and I just give my 2 cents. I'm not always going to be right, but there is always going to be a process to how I figure this stuff out. I don't pull numbers from thin air. I have a process using analysis and comparing companies to their peers to find underlying value. I'm no expert. I make a tremendous amount of mistakes, but I'm always going to be transparent with you, the viewer. We've accomplished a lot in this year, and 2023 is going to be more volatile than 2022. It's more important than ever to really follow people that have a process. Follow people that are actually giving good advice for you. Don't just hit the thumbs up if they don't agree with your thesis. Hear what they have to say, because maybe you are wrong, or maybe you're overlooking something or becoming emotional. This is definitely a stock picker's market. A great example of that is the fact that the market's only down roughly 15%, but most YouTube stocks are down 70, 80, and even 90%, and some are even over that right now. So I ask you a question. Are you one of those individuals that own a YouTube stock? If the answer is yes, and you're still subscribed to those channels, you might have to question what you're doing. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.